Hello, good morning. This is me, Galaxie. I'm from Nepal. Today I'm gonna talk something about the open source tool, which is for screen recording, and also about the video editing tool, which is completely free and it is open source. It will not cost you anything. You can install it in 3 platforms: Windows OS, Mac OS, Linux OS. So the first one is screen recording, which is called OBS Studio. You just go to the URL is this, then you hit enter and it will load this page. If you are Windows user, click on this to download. If you are on Mac, this one, then for Linux, this one. I'm the Mac user and I have the Apple Silicon. For M1, M2 device, M3, M4 device, you click on Apple Silicon. Otherwise, if you have Intel CPU, then click on this. I'm gonna click on the Mac OS Apple Silicon to download. Then I will save it. For the Windows user, they will give exe file and then you just need to double click on it and it will install. For the Mac, it will give the DMG file. You just double click on it, then you just need to drag into the application folder. As I already have it, I'm not gonna install it again, otherwise you continue. I'm just gonna stop it right here. So the OBS Studio, it just looks like this. It has the image capture menu. If you don't want to screen capture, if you don't want to screen capture about this capturing tools, then you can click on this hide OBS from capture, otherwise you continue. And for recording and for your setup for audio capture or screen capture, here is the menu. You just hit start recording and it will work out and it will save in this movie folder for macOS. You can also set it up the folder you like and it will just provide the video. And this is such a good tool. It doesn't cost you any penny, any money, you just go for it. Next, I would like to talk to you about the video editing tool, and this is also completely free. It is open source, it is completely free, and it has got support for 3 platforms: Linux, Windows, and for Apple. You just go to this site, Kdenlive site, for download, and then you hit on silicon. As for me, it's a silicon chip. Then you save it, open it, double click it, and just put it in the application folder and it will install. So the Kdenlive, it will look like this. You can import your audio video files and you can drag and drop and you can edit. It's very useful, it is very much easy, and the most important thing is it is completely free and open source. Open source means you don't need to pay. You can use in your commercial use, You don't need to pay any extra penny. That's all. So the tool for screen recording is OBS Studio, and for video editing it's called Kdenlive. Got it? Thank you for the